Home repairs during springtime baby season can actually lead to more problems with wildlife if you're not careful. A homeowner reported a raccoon repeatedly trying to claw her way into his home for several nights after he repaired a hole in his roof. Contacting us 10 days after the repairs, after hearing what he thought were babies in his bedroom ceiling, we confirmed that there were young inside.
Okay, there seem to be right here.
The only way to reach them would be to cut through. We found two severely dehydrated yet surprisingly vocal kits. In these extreme cases, the likelihood of survival is low, but it's imperative for them to be raised by mom if at all possible. To improve their chances, we gave them some fluids and began the reunion process.
We're going to put them in a reunion box with a heating pad and put them up on the roof where the mother was trying to get back into the attic.
In Washington, D.C., there are no licensed facilities that can accept raccoons for rehabilitation. This is going to be their only chance at survival, as long as mom hadn't given up. She returned just as she had the previous nights. Unfortunately, the long period of separation was just too much for these babies. Her tarred fur and scarred face were testament to her many attempts at reaching her young, and our cameras captured just how strong a mother raccoon's maternal instincts really are. It's a powerful reminder to make sure your home is free of wildlife before making any repairs, and it's a job and an image that we will never forget.